Yes, now we will start with the geometrical constructions. In the geometrical construction, one more construction is there. Similar figures this time is that is first exercise of similar triangle that is not in the syllabus. But before that, I will be explaining the concept of division of line segment internally. That is uh, division of line segment, division of line segment. Now internally in the ratio 3 is to 2. Internally in the ratio 3 is to 2. This division of line segment. So question is that divide a line segment of 5 centimeter in the ratio 3 is to 2 internally. Now steps you must know steps how to make the line segment and divide in the ratio 3 is to 2 internally. The internally is what? That is the point of division of the line segment will be between. If I say first, that is draw a line segment AB of 5 centimeter. Now the point P, which will be dividing in the ratio AB, in the ratio 3 is to 2, that will be between A and B. So draw a line segment AB of 5 centimeter. That is, this is the line segment you are drawing A, B. Now this is of 5 centimeter. Internally means what? That is, the point will be inside A, between A and B. That is internal division. For external division, point P will go outside. When AB will be extended, the point P will go that side. So we have only in the syllabus AB, that is internal division. Second point, draw any acute angle downward at A by ray AX. That is, you have to provide this line AX. Any acute angle. Third, with A as center and any radius cut 5 equal parts. That is 3 plus 2, 5. Sum of the ratio. Name as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Now with A as compass, you will take as A1, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. A5. These equal parts. Some student what they make the mistake in dividing this, take the compass A here, A center and A1 cut, and then they change the distance of the. You cannot change. Once you have cut the first arc A1, now come on A1, cut another arc A2. No change in the radius. So see that when you are on A2, come on A2, cut A3. Come on A3, cut A4. Come on A4, you will get A5. So after that, fourth, join A5 to B. A5 to B. This point you have to join. This. Now on A3 draw parallel line to A5B, cutting AB at P. AB. When you are making the parallel line, what you have to do? You copy down this angle. This angle. Now, what you will do? Here you will put the compass any radius. You can take any radius. You cut an arc like this. With AB, any radius you cut an arc. Now you have to take this measurement. This measurement, cut an arc. So you will get that is. So this will be the parallel line to this. So point P. That is, you are copying this angle here on A5. So cutting AB at P. Join A5 P. Now on A3 draw parallel line to A5 to parallel line to A5B, cutting AB at P. Copy the angle. Copy the angle at A3. Copy the angle. So copying the angle, that is very important. So that you can first copy down. First, what you have to do, you put a compass here, cut an arc with any radius from here with A3 as center, cut an arc, take the measurement of this and cut another arc, and you will get in this E point. So this A3P will be parallel to A5B. After that you will say point P divides AB in the ratio 3:2. In the ratio 3:2. So this is one construction. Now to copy down the angle, we can have a steps so that you will not face problem in copying the angle. That is steps to copy the angle. What you will do? This is the line A, B. This is the example, you have another example. Now you have to copy down this. You have to copy this angle here, this with compass. Now what you will do is A as center, any radius cut an arc. With A as center, any radius cut an arc. That is QR. This is QR. QR. First step. Second, with same radius P as center, cut an arc. With P as center, cut an arc. Name AB. No, sorry. CD. Name C. D. Third, with center Q, radius QR, with center Q, radius QR, with center C, you will say, with center C, radius QR, cut an arc from C. Name it as D. Join PD and extend. Join. Name as E, you will say, not as B, you will say E. This is E. Join PE. Join PE. Now join this line is parallel. Join PE and extend. So you will say PE is parallel to AR. PE is parallel to AR. This is the steps of construction to copy down the angle. No need to write in the exam, only you will say we will copy down this angle and this angle. You can copy down with a compass and protractor, but in exam if it is written using ruler and compass, then you have to use, so copy down and you have to use this method directly, or directly method you make with the protractor and then you can cut. So that is also copying the angle with protractor, that is also correct. Now, so this is what one division of line segment, and in this we are studied about. Now I will explain the similar figure also. That is not in the syllabus, but I will explain the similar figure. You know similar figure what we do? That is basic proportionality theorem. Is that between we draw parallel line, similar triangle, only must know. First, this is the triangle. The triangle you have to take in the measurement ABC. If we say BC is 5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, and this is 7 centimeter. The construction you can draw. Now similar figure. Now for similar figure, very important is what? That is the scale factor 3/4. Scale factor 3/4 or 4/3. Scale factor 3/4 or 4/3. Now this is 3/4. So what you have to remember that total bars will be 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B1, B2, B3, B4. Now join this. B3, this is the parallel line. First you have to draw this parallel line. You will get C dash. Now here again you copy down. That is this. Second parallel line, A dash. So in 3/4 what you have to do? 3/4, the line at B3 you have to draw parallel line. But in 4/3, again the scale vector is here. The triangle you have to draw will be A, B, C. Now that is 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. 4/3 the same procedure. B1, B2, B3, B4. B1, B2, B3, B4. Here, now what you have to do? The third point you have to join. That is the parallel line B3. Now you have to extend this line and this line. So on B3 you have B4 last point. You have to draw parallel line. This parallel line, and after that here this A dash. So this will be C dash and this will be. So triangle A dash B C dash is 4/3 of triangle ABC. Here this is the scale factor. So what you will write? Triangle A B C dash. A dash B C dash is 3/4 of triangle ABC. So this is what you have to do. So 3/4 and 4/3, that is not in the syllabus this time, but I have explained. Okay now, thank you.